Everybody, we're heading out again. We got loaded with a load of castings yesterday, got it all tarped down and ready to go. This morning we went up to the fairgrounds in Spanish Fork because the high schools were having their welding expo. Last year they did the demolition derby. I put the video out on that. That was late last summer. But they put together a welding expo, you know, to show off all the different projects that the kids have done in all the different schools. And they set it up at the fairgrounds. It was quite a thing to see. Both my two youngest boys, they had built drift trikes and they raced them. They won their first heats and then they didn't do so well in the second heat, but you know, they had fun at it, and they learned, you know, they're able to try out a skill that'll help them out. So that was kind of cool. Matthew, he finished up his, we're calling it the Mojack, the pallet jack tractor that he made. What they did with all the tractors, they had a little weight sled that they would pull, and apparently he was able to pull it about 7 feet. And the kids had a lot of fun, so I did get to see that this morning. And now we're heading off with my next load. We're going to Tucson. We got a 9-foot, 6-inch wide load. Just one big casting and a couple of medium-sized ones. I would have liked to gone through Jacob Lake, but you can't go that way with an oversize. That road's really narrow to begin with, but you throw an oversize on it. It says on the permit you're not even supposed to go that way, so he's already got a load for us to come back lined up, so we'll get on our way and get down there. you figure it right. But I screwed up. You have to take a half-hour break within 8 hours of your starting time. Usually I work it out, so when I'm fueling at Page, I just take my half-hour break there. I was watching the clock, and I thought I had it figured out, and I started moving at 29 minutes, 56 seconds. So I missed having a full 30 minutes off by 4 seconds. And there's not a thing you can do about it once you get driving showing up on your ELD. So I have to take another half-hour break. It's annoying and it's a pain because now that means I won't get down there till a half hour later. No use in crying over spilled milk. It's already, the computer's already recorded it. I can't change it, so we'll just take another break. We got unloaded this morning. Everything came off okay. We just had a little discrepancy. They had more baskets they want to send back up, but Troy had already gotten me another reload. It was a little bit of back and forth for the decision makers. That was kind of interesting to watch, but we got to get a load of T-posts that are out by Apache Junction. It's right there where I unloaded the 68-foot steel beams the other day. Yeah, I guess that would have been Monday. So, anyway, so we're going to head that way. And that had to really disrupt traffic pretty good. We've been sitting here for 45 minutes waiting. I mean, it's all computerized here. You check in over your phone, and then they tell you to go to the color-coded area. And you're supposed to respawn back, and I did that. So the computer knows I'm here, but apparently nobody else cares because I've been here 45 minutes. And I'm still sitting here at the T-post section. We are in Granny in heavy traffic, and we're on a hill. Makes matters even worse. So anyway, when traffic gets moving again, I'll just show you. You don't even have to, if you're in, even with an 18 speed, this isn't anything, you know, super duper reduction or nothing. Okay, he's moving, so I'm going to let the clutch out till it holds, and then just not even giving it any throttle. And it takes off on a pretty good hill. We ran into some really slow traffic going up Black Canyon City Hill. And I don't know what the problem is yet. But at the bottom it was showing a 42-minute delay, so that's pretty much going to hose me on getting home tonight. But I was using granny gear just because I was getting tired of trying to... I mean, when you're going up a hill, you don't want to be slipping the clutch that much. So you just kind of put it in granny and let her go. One of the very rare times I've actually used granny gear in this truck. Saturday morning and we're rolling again. Traffic yesterday on the way back, it was just bad. So about midnight I got to Panguitch, found a good spot to park, and went to bed. So now we'll just run the last couple hours and get home. We just got home just a little after 1 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. We'll run this up Monday morning and get it unloaded. So that'll wrap this one up. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.